Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 Ebike Conversion Kit. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is 3000W rear motor wheel. Specifications: brand name Nebidu. Motor type brushless non-gear hub motor. Design brushless. Wattage 1000 watts. Voltage 72 volts. Power 3000 watts. Freewheel single speed. Dropout width 150 millimeters. Origin mainland China. Item number 4 is Nebidu Ebike motor wheel kit. Specifications: brand name Nebidu. Motor type brushless non-gear hub motor. Design brushless. Wattage 1000 watts. Voltage 72 volts. Dropout width 135 millimeters. Display UKC 1+ color display. No load max speed 85-90 km/h. Max torque 100 Nm. RPM 960 RPM. Brake type disc brake. Origin mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected 2000W rear wheel with cassette motor. Specifications: brand name Risen motor. Motor type brushless non-gear hub motor. Wattage 400 watts. Design brushless. Voltage 48 volts. Wheel size 20-inch, 24, 26, 700C, 28, 29er. Wheel position front or rear wheel. Speed gear 7-speed. Is _customized? Yes. Certification C. Origin mainland China. Item number 2 is 500W Ebike kit. Specifications: brand name Kuan Ray. Motor type brushless gear hub motor. Wattage 400 watts. Design brushless. Voltage 36 volts. Installation front wheel. Brake V-brake disc brake. Dropout 100 mm motor wheel. Load speed 35 km/h bike kits. Certification CE. Origin mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Kuan Ray Ebike wheel motor. Specifications: brand name Kuan Ray. Motor type brushless gear hub motor. Wattage 201 to 300 watts. Design brushless. Voltage 36 volts. Power 250-350-500 watts. Installation front and rear wheels. Size 20-29 inch, 700C. Rated speed 32-35 km/h, 500W. Rated torque 289-346 RPM, 500W. Origin mainland China. Certification CE.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.